Assalamu alaikum, Abdullahi.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
What's going on, Abdullahi?
Nothing is special, but I want to have a lunch now.
Oh, what did your mom pack you for lunch today?
She packs me the same lunch every day. Peanut butter, sandwich, and some biscuits and milk.
No matter. I got something new today. It's beef biryani.
Oh, really? I love biryani. Can we share?
Sure. Your mom makes you a healthy food. You know, a lot of people deprive such foods.
Yes, you are right. But I will never regret.
Don't you buy anything from the canteen?
My father advised me that not to eat junk food. They are pretty effects on the stomach as well as on teeth.
But you may get korma and many more.
They are good, but most of the hotels do not care about the sanitation.
It's true, but in our Jamia, cooks take care a lot. They are glued before making dishes.
They are pretty good, but not as good as our mom's cooking.
It's an amazing fact.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Let's go to masjid.